Hello, I'm Jodi Ginsberg of Ginsberg Law Offices. Today I want to speak with you about spinal cord stimulators. Spinal cord stimulators are types of medical devices that doctors will sometimes recommend and prescribe for individuals who typically will have a situation where perhaps you've been through a back surgery, the back surgery did not work, maybe you've been through a second back surgery and that one didn't work, but ultimately your pain is not being controlled and the surgeries that you've been through have not been able to take away your pain, provide you with any relief. And ordering more and more medication for you to ingest, of course, is not a great thing. I mean, first of all, we worry about people getting hooked on medication, which is not a good thing for anybody. And in addition, as you take continuous pain medication, it can also negatively affect your liver, your kidneys, your other organs, which certainly you don't want to have a problem with. So some doctors believe that the spinal cord stimulator, which is a device that's implanted in your body, and then you actually have a little control panel where you can help yourself with the pain. And it's sort of designed with particular types of injuries in mind. Like I said, sometimes we see it for failed back syndrome cases where you've had a back injury. Sometimes we see it when folks have complex regional pain syndrome, CRPS, or reflex sympathetic dystrophy, sometimes doctors refer to it as, where you have significant injury around an area and the nerve pain is so severe, again, that you don't want to be taking constant oral medication, and so a complex regional pain syndrome type of situation, the doctor may prescribe a spinal cord stimulator. It is a very, very complex type of situation, one that insurance companies don't like to see, where folks are having these ongoing pain and problems, and where the spinal cord stimulator is prescribed, because it can be very, very expensive. We have many cases that we deal with folks either being prescribed these spinal cord stimulators or having them implanted, other cases that we've settled with those devices, and so we're happy to speak with you about that situation. When you are prescribed a spinal cord stimulator, there is a process. Typically there is a trial that is given before they will implant. So you are given an evaluation. They typically will run a scan on you to see exactly where it needs to be implanted. They will have you evaluated psychologically to see if you're a person who is capable of actually having that implant done, and then they will give you a trial that you will put on the outside of your body and held out there for about 3 or 4 days to see if you do get relief. And if there is a significant pain relief, then the next step will be to implant that. Again, when you're coming up against these types of orders and prescriptions for spinal cord stimulator, it can be overwhelming, and we're more than happy to help you and walk you through that situation and help you with your case. You can reach me directly at 770-351-0801, and I'll be happy to speak with you. Thank you.